Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is made easy, practical, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I am Clark. Hello everyone, we are incredibly excited about today's episode. Today, we are giving you a massive fluency tool. We have compiled 100 of the most common, high-frequency daily questions and answers used by native speakers.
Wow, 100! That is an incredible vocabulary bank. If you master these 100 pairs, you can handle almost any casual conversation that comes your way, at work, at the store, with friends, or while traveling.
Exactly. And we aren't just going to read them like a boring list. We have divided them into 5 distinct real-life categories. For each question, we will give you a natural answer, point out short idioms or phrasal verbs, and leave a dedicated space for you to practice out loud.
Perfect. Remember, before we begin this mega lesson, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, click the like icon, and share this audio with anyone who is practicing their English. Your support keeps us going.
All right, grab your notebook, warm up your speaking voice, and let's jump right into category number 1, daily basics and check-ins.
Let's start with the things you say when you first see someone. Instead of always saying, "How are you?" and "I am fine," let's look at real daily English. Listen closely to the question, the answer, and then repeat in the pause. Question 1.
How's it going?
Not bad, can't complain. How about you?
Question 2. What have you been up to lately?
Just the usual, keeping busy with work. Question 3.
How was your weekend?
It was pretty relaxing. Thanks for asking. Question 4.
What's the weather like out there?
It's absolutely pouring down right now. Question 5.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Not really. I think I'm just going to take it easy. Question 6.
Are you free this weekend?
I'm open on Sunday afternoon if you want to catch up. Question 7.
How are you holding up?
Hanging in there. It's been a tough week, but I'm managing. Question 8.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I kept tossing and turning until 3 a.m. Question 9.
What time do you usually wake up?
I'm an early bird, so I'm usually up by 6 a.m. Question 10.
Long time no see. What's new?
I know, right? I actually just started a new job last month.
Can I grab you anything to drink?
Just a glass of water would be amazing, thank you.
Where are you heading right now?
I'm just running a quick errand at the supermarket.
How's your family doing?
They're all doing great. Thanks for checking in.
Are you ready to head out?
Almost. Give me 2 minutes to grab my keys and jacket.
How long does your morning commute take?
It takes about 45 minutes if traffic is bad.
Did you catch the news this morning?
No, I haven't had a single second to look at my phone yet.
Is it cold outside today?
Yes, you'll definitely need to bundle up.
What are you having for breakfast?
Just some oatmeal and a strong cup of black coffee.
Where did you park the car?
Down on level B2, right next to the elevator.
Are we still on for lunch tomorrow?
Yes, absolutely. I'm really looking forward to it.
Excellent work. Notice how in question 7, speaker 2 used the phrase hanging in there. That's a great casual idiom, which means you are surviving a difficult or busy time. Now, let's move straight into category number 2, work, productivity, and business English.
Office conversations require a blend of professional clarity and friendly connection. Let's practice 20 essential sentences for your professional life. Q21. What do you do for a living?
I work in the financial industry, focusing on corporate strategy.
Q22. How is your workload looking this week?
I'm completely snowed under with these new quarterly reports.
Q23. When is the deadline for this project?
We need to hand it in by noon this coming Friday.
Q24. Could you spare a couple of minutes?
Sure, I just finished my meeting. What's up?
Q25. How did the presentation go?
It went smoothly. The client seemed really impressed.
Q26. Are you working from home today?
No, I have to go into the office for an in-person workshop.
Q27.
Who is heading up this new marketing campaign?
Sarah from the creative department is taking the lead on it.
Q28. Did you get a chance to review my email?
Not yet. It's sitting at the top of my inbox right now.
Q29. Why was the morning meeting pushed back?
Because the regional managers had a scheduling conflict.
Q2030. Are you staying late at the office tonight?
No way. I'm clocking out exactly at 5 o'clock today.
Can we schedule a quick call to touch base?
Definitely. Feel free to send over a calendar invite.
What's the main takeaway from the workshop?
We need to completely streamline our communication process.
Are you going to the annual company dinner?
Yes, I wouldn't miss it for the world.
How do you handle stressful days at work?
I just take a short 5-minute walk to clear my head.
Did the system update go through successfully?
Yes, everything seems to be running perfectly fine now.
Can I pass this task over to the assistant?
Yes, go ahead. They have some extra availability today.
How long have you been with this company?
It's been almost 5 years now. Time flies.
Are you open to feedback on this draft?
Absolutely. I want to make sure it's polished and professional.
Why did you decide to change careers?
I wanted a role that offered more growth opportunities.
Can you help me resolve this software error?
Let me take a look. I think we just need to refresh the page.
Fantastic! In question 22, speaker 2 used the phrasal verb snowed under. That means you have an overwhelming amount of work to do. It's a highly natural, common phrase to use during busy seasons. Let's shift over to category number 3, socializing, dining, and free time.
This category covers hanging out with friends, ordering food, and discussing hobbies. Let's dive in. Question 41. What do you like to do in your spare time? I'm really into photography and restoring vintage vehicles. Question 42. Have you eaten anything yet? No, I'm absolutely starving. Let's go grab a bite. Question 43. Are you ready to order or do you need a minute? I think we're ready. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Question 44. Can we get the check, please? Sure, I'll bring that right over to your table. Question 45. How do you like your steak cooked? Medium rare is perfect for me, thank you. Question 46. Do you want to split the bill? No way, it's my treat today. I'll pick up the tab. Question 47. Are you a fan of spicy food? The spicier the better. I love hot food. Question 48. What kind of music are you into? I listen to a bit of everything, but mostly acoustic jazz. Question 49. Have you seen any good movies lately? I watched an incredible unsolved mystery documentary last night. Question 50. Do you want to check out that new lounge downtown? Oh, definitely. I heard the interior design is gorgeous.
Are you bringing anyone to the party?
Yes, my wife will be joining me as well.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I absolutely love authentic Middle Eastern food.
Do you feel like cooking tonight?
Not at all. Let's just order some takeout instead.
How do you stay in such good shape?
I hit the gym 3 times a week and watch my diet.
Can you recommend a good coffee shop near here?
There's a fantastic little spot just around the corner.
What are you doing for your birthday this year?
Just keeping it low-key with a nice family dinner.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I used to play the acoustic guitar when I was younger.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's completely free. Help yourself.
Would you prefer indoor or outdoor seating?
Let's sit outside on the patio, since it's a beautiful evening.
Are you into watching sports?
Not really. I prefer participating rather than watching.
Awesome pacing, everyone. In question 46, when speaker 2 said, I'll pick up the tab, that means they will pay the entire restaurant bill for everyone. Now, let's jump into category number 4, shopping, transactions, and modern technology.
From making payments at a cash register to troubleshooting home gadgets, these 20 questions keep you sharp in the modern landscape. Let's practice. Q61.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I got everything on my list, thank you. Q62.
Are you paying with cash or card today?
I'll pay with my credit card, please. Q63.
Would you like a paper receipt in the bag?
No, thank you. You can just email it to me.
Q64.
Is this jacket currently on sale?
Yes, it's actually 30% off this week. Q65.
Can I return this item if it doesn't fit?
Yes, as long as you keep the original receipt and tags.
Q66.
Do you have this shirt in a medium size?
Let me check the stockroom back there for you. Q67.
Why isn't the Wi-Fi working?
The signal keeps dropping out. I need to reboot the router. Q68.
How do I connect my phone to this speaker?
You just need to turn on Bluetooth and pair them up.
Is your new smartphone working well?
Oh, it's a total game changer compared to my old one.
Why is this video loading so slowly?
The connection is lagging because everyone is online right now.
Is it easy to set up this smart device?
Yes, it's completely plug and play. Very simple.
Where can I find the nearest ATM?
There's one right around the corner next to the pharmacy.
How much do I owe you for the groceries?
It comes out to exactly $25.
Do you offer a warranty on these electronics?
Yes, it comes with a standard 1-year manufacturer warranty.
Can you help me log into this app?
Sure, you just need to put your username right here.
Is this store open on Sundays?
Yes, but they close early around 4 in the afternoon.
Why is my computer screen glitching like that?
It looks like a minor software error. Try restarting it.
Do you accept contactless mobile payments?
Yes, absolutely. Just tap your device right on the terminal.
Where can I try this sweater on?
The fitting rooms are located right in the back corner.
Is this website safe to buy from?
Yes, it has a secure connection symbol in the address bar.
Halfway through the tech stuff. Great work. Now we head into our final stretch. Category number 5, travel, logistics, and giving directions.
Whether navigating an international airport terminal, planning a trip with family, or asking an officer for help, these final 20 phrases will ensure you never get lost.
Q81. Where are you traveling to this summer?
I'm planning a family trip to the United States with my family.
Q82. Excuse me, where is Terminal 3?
Just walk straight ahead and follow the overhead signs.
Q83. How long is your international flight?
It's quite long, about 14 hours of direct flying time.
Q84. Do you have any bags to check in today?
Just this one large suitcase, and I have a carry-on bag.
Q85. Would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
An aisle seat, please, so I can stretch my legs easily.
Q86. What time does the plane start boarding?
Boarding begins roughly 45 minutes before departure.
Q87. Is there a long backlog at customs control?
Yes, the line is moving very slowly this afternoon.
Q88. How do I get to the nearest metro station from here?
Take the first left turn and you will see the entrance.
Q89. Can I walk to the hotel from the station?
You can, but it's a bit far with heavy luggage.
Q90. How much is the taxi fare to the city center?
It usually costs a flat rate of about $30.
Q91. Do I need a physical visa to enter the country?
No, you can easily apply for an electronic visa online.
Q92. Where can I pick up my rental car keys?
The service desk is located outside near the parking area.
Q93. What's the best way to explore this town?
Renting a bicycle is highly recommended and very fun.
Q94. Is it safe to walk around this neighborhood at night?
Yes, it's very well lit and generally completely fine.
Q95. What time is checkout at this hotel?
The standard checkout time is 11 in the morning.
Q96. Can I leave my bags here until my flight tonight?
Of course, we can securely hold them in our luggage room.
Q97. Excuse me, do you know where the restroom is?
Yes, just down that hallway on your right-hand side.
Q98. How far away is the international airport?
It's about a 30-minute drive without heavy traffic.
Q99. Are there any direct trains running today?
No, you'll have to transfer once at the main station.
Q100. Do you need any assistance with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can manage it perfectly fine.
Incredible! You just completed all 100 conversational questions and answers. Give yourself a massive round of applause wherever you are listening right now.
That was a marathon lesson, but consistency is key. By practicing these phrases out loud, you are building the muscle memory required to answer automatically without translating in your head.
Remember, you don't need a massive dictionary of rare words to sound completely fluent. You just need to master these practical, everyday building blocks.
If this massive challenge helped you grow your speaking confidence today, please remember to subscribe to our channel, drop a like on this audio track, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know which category was your favorite.
We absolutely love seeing your progress. Until our next episode, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.